Hello and welcome to the day before Chicken Tuesday. Why are you looking at me like that? This is not Global Bunny. Chicken Tuesday. This is Chicken Tuesday tomorrow. You don't know that. Chicken Tuesday, okay, short history for those that don't know. Chicken Tuesday is something I came up with a couple of years ago. When was Maroon 5 and Cardi B's Girls Like You popular? Like 2018? Okay, yeah, it held the #2 spot in Australia for like a good month in late 2018, or mid 2018 probably. Anyway, I enjoyed that song so much for some reason, because I would pretend I was a chicken singing along to it in the car, instead of being like, it's more like, can't tell you how the connection happened. I can't tell you why it started, but it started a seed in my brain, which evolved over many years. I thought at one stage maybe I'd just make a Chicken Tune Instagram. Another stage it was going to be a Chicken Tune album. But this year it has developed into Chicken Tuesday. Chicken Tuesday. Every single Tuesday I pick out a song that I'm going to play on the radio. I then turn it into a chicken version of that song. I play it out. Before we play the actual song, get you to guess it. If you guess it, the idea is that you win a hot chicken or something like that. You win a chicken dinner. At the moment, that's not a thing, but eventually it will be. It's just a bit of fun for now. Breaks up the monotony of life, if you get what I'm talking about. So today, I wanted to bring you along for the ride of making a chicken tune for Chicken Tuesday, which is tomorrow when I'm recording this, probably not by the time it comes out. Shout outs to my phone for recording what's on the screen, because I don't know how to do screen record with a work computer. And shout out to Fairburn Films, get yourself one of these little poppy socket things, give them some cash, because they make funny stuff, eh? It's no Chicken Tuesday, but Fairburn Films, you know how to do it. Welcome to Zeta. This is the program that I use on a daily basis. This is me talking over here. This is a multi-track that I've got up to record our chicken choir. You know where the chicken choir is? I'm about to usher them in. No, it's me. I am the chicken choir. Magic of radio. The song I've chosen is Bastille's Pompeii. Just double click to bring it up here. What I like to do is have a listen to the hook of the song. You can do that by clicking down here and just clicking on the start of it now. Let me pull this up. Let's have a listen. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like no? Okay, that's enough so I don't get copyright strike by Bastille. They'd love to chime in on the money. Make it that is Chicken Tuesday. Alright, I think I know how I'm going to do this. I'm going to put that in one of my ears by queuing it up here on the desk. Now, I think I'm going to build this up. May need to take a couple of goes at it, but I'm going to start with the choir in the back. Da, da, do, da, do. That's what I'm going to try to do. But chicken, of course. And that is the start of Chicken Tuesday. Alright, that's good, that looks good. I mean, chickens don't breathe in the same way that humans do, but I can't be bothered to chop them out. It's not the kind of production I run. Now, I need to build that up. It needs a second chicken underneath it to really beef it. So, bark, 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 bark. By the time we've got those two layered up together, that's about all my chicken choir is. Just a couple together. I'll just line those up nicely. There we go. I know what I'm doing. Now we got to go with, what's his name? From Bastille? Is it Dan? It's Dan. Yeah, Dan Smith. The Smith man, the Chip man. I mean, he's that far off being Sam Smith. John Smith, that's what I'm thinking of. And right now I'm being, what's his name? McConaughey. Alright, well, so you watch that. I'm gonna play it on there, you know what I'm doing. I'm not sold on that. How does that sound? That's out of time. Timing's a real tough thing. Maybe I just lie. There's some little bits where I hear it and I'm like, it's just not quite on. It might be just like just that. Which could be my chicken clocking out of time, but I doubt it. This sounds brilliant. In fact, this is where I'm gonna leave it. I was gonna say this is where I'd normally leave it, but I was gonna do more. But well, I'll have a listen in a second, see if there's any flourishes. But what I like to then do is say, look, that's the lead chicken right there, that last one we did. So let's pull down this one to like, I don't know, maybe 40%. Just let those background clucks take that spot, you know, that 40%, and really let the lead shine. Because that way, you know, when people hear it on air, they're gonna know. Look, I'm going to do one more just because it sounds like he's got another voice. So what I do here is I go right click, add track. Probably shouldn't have done it at the top. No, that's fine. That's fine. We can do it from the top. So I'm just going to do the same lead vocal but just a bit lower. That's what I'm going to attempt to do at least. I don't know where we went at the end there, but I reckon that's going to sound good by the time it's laid up. Transition. I don't know what's happening. I'm going to get rid of that little highlight. That could cause all sorts of damage to Chicken Tuesday. Don't get me started about the highlights in Zeta. My goodness. All right, I reckon that's lined up pretty good. Let's have a listen. Right? It's Bastille. Pompeii. Yeah. Alright, take off my giggle at the end because people don't need to hear that. And that, I reckon we save that off as Chicken Tuesday, Bastille, Pompeii. And I always double check straight after I finish recording that it's not in program. I should probably do that at the start, otherwise for the last 10 minutes, 15 minutes, someone, in fact everyone listening into our station would have heard me going bark, 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 and everything that I've been talking to you about, which would have been a bit of an issue. Alright, so that should now be saved away down here. If we scroll right to the bottom of our quick records, perfect. No need to save that anymore. Perfection has been reached. We'll just make sure we drag it up here into my stack and then bang onto my button bar. So it's right there. You got the Chicken Tuesday intro for those not in the know.
Yee-haw! It's Chicken Tuesday!
There you go. You didn't hear that because I got rid of my voice. I was also recording this. Oh, I'm a Boomba Clark. I was recording the audio of me talking into this mic so I could use it in there. And I don't have it now, so we're just going to use the raw audio of that. You've been dealing with it. How's it been? Fantastic. If you enjoyed that video, do me a heck and subscribe, like for more, and I will catch you again with something stupid again on this channel, I'm sure. I don't know why I keep talking into the microphone. I've lost the recording of the audio, so I could, you know, bye. I'm out. I'm done. I'm out.